Welcome friends. In this video I am going to show you my top 5 Binance Smart Chain altcoins, and I will tell you my price targets and why I think that these coins can give you a good profit in 2021. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Let me dive into the content, and this is my first pick, BSC PAD token. BSC PAD token is currently available at $3.47 price, and price decreases 8.9% in 24 hours. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $20 million. Market cap of this token is $113 million. Circulating supply of this token is just 32 million, and total supply of this token is just 175 million. This is the maximum supply of this token. 24-hour low price of this token is $3.23, and 24-hour high price of this token is $4.01. Current rank of this token is 349, and this is the website. Please do your own research before buying or before investing in this token. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let me please show you what are the statistics. All-time high of this token was on March 7, 2021, about 1 month ago, and the price was $7.45. All-time low of this token was all-time low price of this token was on March 1, 2021, about 2 months ago, and in 30 days price decreases 24%. And this is the chart of this token. Let me please show you. Here you can see at starting Monday 1 March 2021, the price was only $0.42, and after that here you can see at on March 7 March 2021, the price was $6.12, and after that we see some sideways action, and now it is currently trading at $3.76. And this token is available on these exchanges: Gate.io, PancakeSwap. I think this token can give you maximum profit because this token you should have to hold if you want to buy BS PAD IDOs. I repeat, if you want to buy BS PAD new tokens or IDOs, you can say IDO, then you have to hold these tokens. You have to hold minimum 1000 tokens if you want to buy, and if you want to buy these IDOs, and if you want to participate on these IDOs. That is why I think this token can give you maximum profit because of this. Most of the peoples and many peoples hold these tokens and buy IDOs on initial stages, and price increases, and after that they sell their token. And this token is very much essential for the users if they want to buy new Binance Smart Chain IDO, and like RevoMoon and some other projects. And let me please show you some other statistics of this token. Actually, this token is a launchpad. It is a Binance launchpad token, and most of the people hold 1000 token, 2500 token, maybe 5000 tokens, and different kind of packages, and they should have to hold if they want to participate in the IDOs. Let me please show you the website if it is available, because this website is not working today. That is why I am not capable to show you or tell you all information. And let me please show you my next coin. Let me please do this. My next token is very important token, PancakeSwap. I am very much bullish on this token. This is the main token. This is the exchange where you can buy different kind of tokens and different kind of coins, on initial stages, and after that the price increases and people sell their token. PancakeSwap cake token is available on price of 28.05 and price increases 19% in just 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 35 and market cap of this token is 4.3 billion and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1.7 billion. And let me play. Circulating supply of this token is 1.5 billion. Sorry, 154 million. Sorry. Let me please show you some statistics. In 14 days, this token gives 53% profit to its holders. In 30 days, this token gives 178% profit to its holders. And all-time high of this token was on April 21, 2021, just 6 hours ago, and the price was 28.51. All-time low of this token was on November 3, 2020, about 6 months ago, and the price was $0.19. Let me please show you the chart of this, and after that I will show you my chart and my price target for this token. Here you can see on this chart on 29 September 2020 price was just $1.03, and after that here you can see on 18 February 2021 the price was $12.93 and no prices at peak, and today price is $28.05. This token is available on these exchanges: Binance, DigiFinex, VCC Exchange, PancakeSwap. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. Let's dive into the content again. This is a very good token, I think, and this token can give you maximum profit in this year. Let me please show you what is this token is. This is some. These are information about this token. You can read these informations and you can do your own research before buying this token. And I will not responsible any of your loss. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange DEX built on top of Binance Smart Chain BSC, and it is the biggest automated market maker AMM based exchange in BSC, Binance Smart Chain. This is the backbone of Binance Smart Chain, and all token of Binance Smart Chain you can buy on PancakeSwap. This is very important exchange, and this token I think can give you maximum profit in 2021. That is why I am very much bullish on this token. Let me please show you the chart of this token on TradingView. Here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see. All-time high of this token on this chart, on Tether US Binance chart, this is 1 day chart, $30. And now it is currently trading at $28.62. And this is the support zone, 21.33. This is the support zone, 15.04. And these are all support zones. And here you can see how much bullish this token is and how beautifully this token moves towards upside and going to make new all-time high. Let me please show you in first rally how much profit this token gives. This was the first pump. In the first pump, this token gives 100% gain to its holder. After that, price goes down, and after that, let me please show you. Let me please show you the second pump. This is the second pump where you can see it is pump of approximately 65%, and once it breaks its all-time high, it will create new all-time high. Let me please show you what are my targets. I think this token can easily hit these targets. Once this token break $28.10, in that case, this will be the initial target. This is our first target, $35.76. This is our first target. And let me please show you my second target. Let me please use the Fib retracement tool, and after that I will show you what will be the targets according to this tool. In 2021, let me please first tell you, in 2021, let me please again show you. In this year, this token gives $211% profit to its holders in this year. And according to the Fib retracement tool, this will be the target. This will be our first target. Let me please highlight this target, $43. And after that, let me please show you my second target. According to this tool, is 65. And I think 100 is very near. This token can easily hit $100 in 2021. And my target for this token is 100 to 150. It will, I think, easily hit $100, maybe $150 in 2021 in this year. And I think this is a very realistic target. And if I do this, let me please show you how much profit you can gain. Let me please arrange the chart again. If this token hit $150, in that case, how much profit you can gain? Let me please show you. If you buy this token from that current running price, in that case, let me please show you. In that case, this token easily give you 430% profit, and this is very realistic target. This is my final target. Price maybe goes up to and remain in between $100 to $150. This is my target for PancakeSwap for this year. And let me please show you my next coin. My next coin is SafeMoon. This token gives huge profit to its holders. This token make millionaire to peoples, and that is why I think that this token can give maximum profit. And this is my top pick of 2021. And this token gives me 25x in just 10 days. 25x. And this is SafeMoon. SafeMoon is available at $0.000652, and price decreases 23.8% in 24 hours. Why this price decreases in home? And the only reason is that this token pumps near about 10x to 12x in just 24 hours, in past 24 hours. And here you can see this is the supply of this token is 1000 trillion, and this token is very cheap and available in very low price, very low price. This is the website of this token, and this is this. Let me please show you some statistics. Here you can see in 7 days this token gives 754% profit. In 40 days this token gives 467% profit. In 30 days this token gives 4304% profit to its holders. All-time high of this token was on March 20, just 22 hours ago, and the price was 0.0000919, and about 22 hours ago. And all-time low of this token was on March 14, and the price was 0.0000004, and this token gives 12,814% profit to its holders. That is very much huge price, a huge profit, and I think this token can give 100x. I think so. This token can easily hit 100x. That is my prediction for this token. I will make separate video for this token. And this token is available, SafeMoon is available on Whitebit, BakerySwap, PancakeSwap and Bitmart. This token is listed on 4 exchanges, and the price is increasing very rapidly, and I think this token can give you maximum profit. Let me please show you the chart of this token. Here you can see on 13 March the price of this token was just 0.000006, and after that here you can see on Sunday 4 April 2021 price increases, and the price was 0.00000209, and after that here you can see how parabolically this token moves, and now it is at 723, $0.00000723, and I am very much sure this token easily can hit my targets. My target for this token is 100x. Why I am saying this? There are some reasons. Let me please show you. The first thing is that the price of this token when it launched was very low, and people are shifting towards that coins that are available in cheap and low price, like Dogecoin. After seeing the Dogecoin pump, most of the people moves towards SafeMoon, SafeBTC, SafeMarch, that kind of tokens that are available on cheap prices. And after that, these tokens are listing in big exchanges. SafeMoon is listed in 4 big exchanges, and price increases very rapidly. In last 28 hours, price increases approximately 1000% to 1000% to 1200% in just 48 hours. And I think this is just the beginning. I think that this token can easily hit 100x. That is why this token is my favorite token. Let me please show you my next coin. My next coin is SafeMars. SafeMars is like SafeMoon, and it is at $0.00000048, and price decreases 50.6% in just 24 hours. Why this kind of decline, price decline occurs? The only reason is that this token pumps heavily, and this token pumps 2000% in just 24 hours. Yes, my dear friends, 12x to 15x, in just 24 hours. That is why I think that that kind of decline comes, and price decreases 50%. But the people who bought this token at cheap price in the beginning, they are still in very much profit, like 20x, 30x, maybe 40x. Let me please show you some statistics of this token. Current trading volume of this token is $81 million. This is a good volume. Market cap of this token is 178 million. And here you can see 24-hour low price of this token is 37, 0.00000037, and 24-hour high price of this token, here you can see 0.00000139. In just 24 hours, this token, I think, give 10x, maybe 15x in just 24 hours. In last 48 hours, this token gives approximately 15x to its holders. Here you can see the circulating supply, 1000 trillion, Maximum supply is 1000 trillion and circulating supply is 402 trillion. In 7 days, this token gives 1161% profit to its holder. In 14 days, this token gives 541% profit to its holders. In 30 days, this token gives 20,605% profit to its holder, which is very, very good. And all-time high of this token was just 24 hours ago, and the price was 0.00000139, and price decreases 68% because that pump was very uncertain, and that pump was very huge. After that, we see decline in the price of this token. All-time low of this token is this token was on March 20, 2021, and the price was 0.00000000, and price increases 27,000% in this time period. This token is listed on these exchanges: Gate.io, PancakeSwap, JuleSwap. You can buy this token on these exchanges, and this is a good token, and this token moving parabolically, and I think this token here you can see. Let me please show you the chart, because the only chart is here, and there is no chart on tradingview.com. Here you can see. Let me please show you. On 23 March 2021, the price was just 0.00000002, and after that, here you can see, on the month of April, 19 April 2021, the price was 0.00000013, 13x, and after that, here you can see. Let me please show you. On 20 April 2021, the price of this token was 0.00000116. Here you can see how parabolically this token moves, and most of the investors are like these kind of tokens nowadays, just because of Dogecoin. People like Dogecoin, and people see the pump of Dogecoin, and after that trend changes, and people like that kind of coins that are available in cheap prices, and people want to hold these coins and want to buy these coins in the beginning. And after that, here you can see the price of this token is very much low. In $10 you can buy millions of tokens. That is why people buying these tokens and holding this kind of token. And I think this is a very huge pump. In 30 days, here you can see 200%, 200x profit to its holders. That is very good, and I think I am very much bullish on this token. Let me please show you my final token. My final token is JuleSwap Juldi. Juldi is available 0.109634 dollars. You can say 10 cents, and price decreases 10.2% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 594, and this is the website. You can visit this website by their own. Actually, this is an exchange. You can. It is also a launchpad, and IDOs are launching on this platform. Let me please show you. This is the website. After that, you have to click on Launchpad, where you can see Stagebase was the first launch of this, was launched on this Launchpad on 10 January 2021, and this is the second token that launched on JuleSwap. This token name is Fiend Group, and status is active, and this token is listed at this token IDO is still active. But let me please show you something. There is no token, because in because all token people buy all tokens, and that is why people in that way people take profits, and they buy these tokens at the beginning and claim these tokens, and the price of this token was 0.011, and one fiat is equal to 0.0111. That is why I think this token can easily hit maybe 20x, maybe 30x, maybe 50x in this year, JuleSwap, Juldi, because of this, because this is a launchpad and this is the exchange, and IDOs are launching on this platform. Let me please show you some statistics. 24-hour trading volume of Juldi is 9 million. Market cap of this token is $41 million. Circulating supply of this token is 378 million. Total supply of this token is 799 million. Maximum supply is 799 million. 24-hour low price of this token is 0.3003, and the 24-hour high price of this token is 0.126040. Let me please show you some statistics. In 30 days, this token is in consolidation phase, and it is in correction zone. That is why price decreases. And let me please show you some statistics. All-time high of this token was on February 22, 2021, about 2 months ago, and the price was $0.75. And now it is available on just 10 cents. All-time low of this token was on February 2, 2021, about 3 months ago, and the price was $0.02. And this token Juldi is available on JuleSwap, PancakeSwap, Gate.io, Ascent Exchange, BitMEX. Let me please show you the chart of this token on TradingView. I like Juldi very much because if you want to participate an IDO on JuleSwap, you should have to hold 1000 Juldi tokens. In that case, you can participate, otherwise you cannot participate. That is why this token is very important, and it is a launchpad, and IDOs are launching on this token. This is the chart, Juldi USDT, 1 day hit BTC chart, and here you can see this token is available on very cheap, very low price, and this token is on bottom. If you want to buy this token, this is the right time. This is not an investment or financial advice. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. Before buying this token, do your own research. I will not be responsible for any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. Here you can see this is the upside trend line, and once it breaks this support zone, in that case maybe it can go down again, but I think this is the price of this token have to move towards the upside after hitting this, and our first target will be this. This is the horizontal resistance of this token is at $0.23, and this is the second resistance of this token, and this is the third resistance of this token, 0.38. If this token hits its all-time high, let me please show you what kind of profit you can gain. 275% profit you can gain, 2.75x. You can say 3x is very normal. It's very, very normal if you buy this token at the bottom at current price right now. This is not investment advice or financial advice. Once it breaks this all-time high, let me please show you with Fib retracement tool how can this token give you and how much profit this token can give you in coming days. Let me please show you. I think this is a very, very realistic target. Let me please show you. This target, this token can hit easily in 3 to 6 months, $0.83, and my target is $1. 1.29 according to the Fib retracement tool, and my target is $1. This token can easily hit $1, maybe $2, maybe $5. But to be very realistic, $1 is my target, and this token can easily give you 10x profit in coming days. And if you hold this token, before buying this token, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your losses. And if you want to buy this token Juldi on Binance, if you want to buy PancakeSwap and important tokens, there is the link of Binance Exchange in this video's comment section and in this video's description. Thanks for the watching, and please do supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Take care.